Hey loves, I'm back, and this time I'm switching it up for you. I'm going to show you this quick, fabulous DIY. So if you need to upcycle something in your home or just in love with something you don't want to throw away, watch how I do this and be inspired. Keep watching. Okay, so this was a large painting that I bought from Ross, I believe, several years ago. And it served its purpose. It was fabulous in my space when that was my colors. But now in my home, I have more vibrant colors. And so rather than part with it, I decided to upcycle it. I'll put the measurements of the size of it in the description bar below. But right now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and spray paint it with a white primer. And this is just going to coat the entire board and give me a clean surface to begin with. Now you may need to do 2 or 3 layers of it, so it really just depends on how well it covers the first or second coat. Do as many as necessary until you cannot see the painting beneath. Now with this turquoise painting, I'm going to create like a clouded area, and you can use any shade, a lighter blue or darker blue. That's just what I had, so that's what I used. After misting it, you can see where it was a little heavy in some spots. It wasn't intended, but it was perfect. It's the sky, you can't go wrong with that. And here is some decor that I got from, I believe, Walmart. It's Roommates, and they have all types of decal. This is the one that I chose. I saw the butterflies had a lot of shades that were in my home, and I thought that it would accent this picture very, very well. So here I'm opening it out. Depending on the size of the board, you want to make certain that you get something with words that are just as substantial as your board size. So a smaller board, of course, you'll get something with smaller writing. A larger board, larger writing. And this is the finished look. I just placed it any random order as far as the butterflies, and I tried my best to just center the words, and I thought it came out great. I didn't have to do anything else other than just apply it. And this is it in my wall space. Actually, this is just the area right above the stairs before you get to the first landing. So I thought it'd be something great to look at on your way going down the stairs, and it complements my downstairs area. That's my daughter being silly as usual. And I also thought that it complemented this back wall that I have as well. So if you want to see more quick and easy little DIYs to upgrade your home, make certain that you comment. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Until I see you again, bye loves.